this is a LG Smart TV. Easy, better, and fun, it says. So this is a new product you launched today. You show it for the first time?
Yes, we already launched our internet connected TV in the market, but we will upgrade it to the smart TV from next year, early next year.
Early next year?
Yes.
So what is different now?
Yes, let me explain. We will start our smart TV function from this home dashboard. This is our unique user interface. So all the internet functionality and content search and just conventional TV menu is integrated in this one screen.
So this is not the remote for it, is it? Is that the remote for a smart TV?
Yes, but we provide both of these input device. So yes, especially we focus on this new input device.
Yeah.
So people can very easily navigate the internet functionality by this input device.
So this is like a remote control with a lot of sensors inside. What kind of sensors do you have? Accelerometers or?
Yes, it is kind of very technically very similar with Nintendo Wii's remote controller. So you know.
Do you have gyro?
Yes.
There's gyro and accelerometers.
I'm not familiar with about. I cannot tell you about detail of the technical spec. But anyway, we are improving this functionality. So maybe in the next year for smart TV, we will launch new Magic remote controller, which will be more improved, compared by this.
So you call this a Magic remote controller?
Yes.
Magic.
Correct. Yes.
Can you try and show a little bit what they can do with the remote?
Yeah. Okay.
There's no sensors in here. You cannot do anything with that one, right?
Yes. Right. So maybe like this. This home dashboard, you can enter any content. So for example, like if you go to the premium, maybe. This is kind of a prototype today, but you can see this kind of pages afterward. And
you can even go on YouTube.
And yes, you can go to the upper TV. So this is kind of our premium page. So LG make the partnership with leading content provider in each country. For example, like in France, Orange, and in Spain, Telefonica, something like that. So we make the partnership. They provide their service on our premium content area.
Nice.
Okay. And
so, is that overlaid on top of TV, normal TV, or is it separate?
It is on top of the normal TVs. So we have around 20 series of LCD TV. I mean, including the PDP TV. So maybe currently almost 50% of our TV is connected TV. And in the next year, maybe 70% around will be the smart TV.
So you have Ethernet and Wi-Fi in the TV?
Yes, right.
Both?
Yes, both.
And so first time you use a TV, you set it up, and that's it? You are online?
Yes, it's correct.
And you can add
it's very easy. Yeah.
And you add more software later, or can you update the software, or?
Yes, if we upgrade our platform, we can also upgrade our TV software by network. So in that case, consumer, when they access to our service portal, they can see the notice message, upgrade the TV firmware, and then they can easily upgrade very quickly.
But let's say we watch TV, normal TV. Can you show some normal TV channel and show what it can do on top of it, or is it only separate from the normal TV?
It was this user interface. So during you watching the live TV, if you put the home button, you just access to this page, right? So the live channel is shown.
Still there?
Yeah, it's still in here, and the consumer can navigate this kind of all the functions. So
what are those, like widgets or no? What is that?
This is kind of widgets. So it means you can, when you click this, you can use this kind of application. Right? And if you move to the right side, you can also see another card. This is just a prototype, but we will provide a lot of functionality and the menu in this one screen, which is called as home dashboard.
Okay, but is there any interaction with what is going on here with there? Is it like related, or it's just different things here?
No, it is not related. Yeah, it is not related.
It's like apps, but for themselves. So you can tweet, you can say, I'm watching this.
Yes, of course. If you access to the Twitter,
Yeah.
and then you can also, if you want, if you can see the live TV at the same time, and you can tweet in the right side.
With a keyboard.
Yes, consumer can use the keyboard, or they can use also the mouse. Just the virtual keyboard in the screen.
What kind of keyboard? Like it has to be infrared, or you support Bluetooth?
Not the kind of one. Maybe we will let our consumer to use the smartphone. So yes,
Nice.
Like the Apple iPhone
Yeah.
or Android phone. We will
Nice.
the application, and then they can use the keyboard.
Nice. So
Sorry, but this is just kind of prototype. So it is.
so there's an app store, and these apps are based on what? Is it Java? What is it?
Flash.
Flash.
Yes.
All of it is Flash.
Not all. Most of that. Actually, we will release our SDK maybe end of this year. Maybe it will be mostly based on the Flash, but we will provide, we will support another language. So, for example, maybe we also provide the browser solution. So if some developer they want to develop the service based on the browser,
HTML?
yes,
Yeah.
it is also possible.
JavaScript, HTML, and stuff like that.
Yes, but final decision is not made yet about the language. But anyway, we will provide several and multiple languages for the developers.
When you go on YouTube, is that HD YouTube or just normal HQ YouTube? Can you play HD YouTube?
Yeah, let me play it in the. Not yet. Yeah. In the future.
Because what kind of processor do you have in the TV? Is that ARM? Or is it secret? Is that a very
it's technically confidential.
Okay.
Yeah, I cannot share it.
And if you upgrade, you can. It's not a module. You cannot take it out and put a new version of the smart TV inside. You have to buy a new TV to get a new smart TV.
Yes, right. But as I already mentioned, maybe they can upgrade the software by the network, but they cannot change the module.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And you put that inside of the player by itself, also, or only inside the TV? You provide that inside a Blu-ray and inside of other things, or?
What do you mean? I don't
It's
understand.
only inside the TV. There's no set-top box for this feature.
No set-top box.
Okay. Okay. Thanks.